I wish I'd have thought of this sooner, but I've come up, well, I say I've come up with it, it's I've studied the pin removal tools and come up with a much easier or cheaper solution using threaded rod. A bit of threaded rod, and so there's a basic bit, so it's these smooth connector nuts, which is just 5mm threaded rod, and just a bit of 1/2 inch, I think that is, box section, the hole drilled in for that to go through. So I'm confident this is going to work. I've even put the pin back in. So the idea is quite a simple one. Undo your threaded rod nuts, poke that up through there, and helpfully these are 8mm or just less than 8mm outside diameter, which is perfect for going through the hinges. So that in there like that, thread that on the end. This is, in principle, it's the same as how hinge pin tools work. Now, probably don't need to thread it in as far as I am, but I think the more threads you got threaded in on it, the stronger it's going to be, less likely to pull through the threads. That through there like that. Oops. Another threaded nut. I don't think an ordinary 5mm nut would be up to the job on this. I don't think the threads would be big enough. I think it would just strip the threads out. There's, you've got a lot more thing on that, so that's in principle the same as what the tools will look like, and just give that a pruning with a hammer, just like that. Now I do appreciate that this has already been out with me once, so, and that's a big difference on it, and it is an old pin, but I think that would have been, if I'd have done this the first time round, it would have been half the battle, if less, than what it was. So hopefully this will be of some use to some of you lads out there that are restoring Escorts and haven't got as far as taking the doors off yet. So very simple, easy to build tool, only costs a couple of quid.